Okay, listen to me. I know you are bullshitting me. So cut with this nonsense. You are not going to get my information. You are so stupid.
If you are not going to permit for the cancellation,
I say you are very stupid. You are a motherfucker. Okay? Go get a life. Go get a real job. You are very
that's all
stupid.
you want to say?
That's what I want to say. You are very stupid. I hope the police catch you. You are dumb. You are dumb. God will judge you. You are very stupid. You are trying to scam me. God will catch you. And you are not going to have any happiness. Okay? You are very stupid. No, you are very dumb. Oh, mother yaka.
Black people are deteriorating the United States, okay?
How we deteriorating? At least we are not scamming. Even though if we scam big. Okay? Go rob a bank. Do something bigger with your life. Alright? What?
Send me your daughter.
Why would I want to do that?
Because she needs to take my dick in her mouth.
You are very stupid.
Just like you're such a motherfucker, bro.
Oh, I knew there was more of you over there.
Yeah. You are such a motherfucker.
Go get a life. don't ever email me or call me again. Amada Yarka, you are very stupid. Oh, okay. You call me the N-word? Well, you are a son nigga. You Mother sucker, you are very stupid.
You people don't have the courtesy to conversate with people. That is why you're bullshitting around in the US.
How are we bullshitting?
Shit on your face.
Well, I will shit on your mouth and then you will eat it.